Alright, good afternoon or good morning or good evening. Dumb question. Have you tried yoga? Today's video, we're gonna bring everything down and boil everything into a simplicity of our downward facing dog. So downward facing dog is not just about flexibility. It's a full body workout which you boost strength, balance, mental clarity, and today I'm gonna focus on it. Now, downward facing dog, known as Adho Mukha Savasana, is a foundational pose in yoga. It strengthens your arms, legs, and core, while improves your posture and flexibility. It's a very versatile pose that can be incorporated into many yoga sequences. Getting into the perfect downward dog can be challenging though, especially for someone who is new. It's like where your hands go. Do you keep your back straight? It's easy to feel lost. So let's break it down. There's going to be 3 options for you to start off with. And for anyone who's new, I highly recommend the chair while you begin, or even the wall. The key about having a comfortable downward facing dog is to keep your back as neutral, so as straight as you can, as well as your wrists and as well as your legs. So if you got the chair, we're just gonna have our hands shoulder width apart, and you can rest your fingers over the chair if it feels comfortable for your wrist. If not, you can spread those fingers out on the chair, just those 5 fingers. And the idea is we're gonna shift our hips as far back as we go. Legs are hip width apart. Then we're taking a big breath in. As we breathe out, we're just pushing into our palms and pressing our chest down to the bottom. So the idea, you can keep your knees bent. So we start engaging the core. Tuck your belly in like you're zipping it up. So we protect the back and just keep a neutral straight spine. And we will feel a nice lengthening down the chest, down the hamstrings, and on our calves, while we try to keep our head in line with or our ears in line with the arms. So that's the first step of your down dog. And now if you want to deepen into your down dog, we have the ideas of blocks, or you can go straight down to the floor, but I do recommend starting from the floor. So from the chair we start from top down, from the floor we start from the bottom. So same thing, shoulders, hands are shoulder width apart. You can rest your wrists over the block again, and you can also vary the length of your blocks. We'll start with the bigger face. Same thing with the legs, start off on your knees or toes down or up, but I'm just tucking my toes to get ready. And the idea is we're gonna lift our hips high with a big breath. Then as we breathe out, same thing, shifting our hips to the back and our weight to the back. You'll definitely still feel the areas of your calves and your hamstrings being lengthened, and then the shoulders are feeling the deepness in the lengthening of the muscles. Same thing, tuck your belly in so that we keep the core grounded and strong and protect the lower back. With the head, try not to relax it too much. Go around the neck. See if you can line it up back to your arms. Last one, definitely use the floor space. So same thing, start from the knees, take a big breath in, lifting the hips high and shifting the weight back. So the key here is that we're not rounding the back forwards. So if you're struggling, allow the blocks or the chair to assist. So we're actually relaxing the shoulders back and down as we push ourselves back. Now, the last thing that we need to bring in to our poses or any asanas is our breath. So stay here, taking a breath in through our nose and then out through our nose or our mouth. Staying here for a good 2 to 3 long breaths so that the body can just soak in the benefits of the strength, flexibility, intertwining together. We'll get our blood circulating through the head too. Coming out from the pose, it's a matter of just bending your knees down, shifting your weight forwards, and releasing the hands. Little relax. Release. Mastering the down dog takes practice, but it's worth it. Remember, alignment is key, so the back, the wrists, and the feet. By focusing on your hand placement, the core engagement, and the spine elongating, you're gonna reap full benefits, and you can do this anytime, anywhere, even at home or on your bed. So give it a try and let me know how you think. Please comment down below if you have any variations or anything you want to add. And if you want to learn more poses, feel free to scroll through the collection of my video and subscribe for more. With that, thank you for watching this video.